How to fix Rimworld crashing on Steam. So first you want to open your Steam and then go to the library section and then right click on the game and then go to properties, then installed files, and then click on browse. And in here you want to right click on the game exe, go to properties, and then compatibility tab, and make sure disable full screen optimizations is checked, as well as run this program as administrator. Then click on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game again to see if that solves the issue. And if the issue still persists, you want to click on verify integrity of game files under installed files tab, and wait for it to finish the process and verify the files and potentially repair any corrupted files. Now close this and try to launch the game again. And if you're still having crash issues, what you can do is open your GPU program. So for example, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you would need to install NVIDIA app. And then you want to open it and go to drivers section. And make sure you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver installed. You can use this arrow to check for updates and download and install the latest version. And after this, you will need to reboot your computer. And then you want to launch the game again, and that should solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.